Dear Jesus, I come to you today as a man who needs your help. My heart is broken, Lord, and I don't know where else to turn. You see everything I'm going through. You know the weight I'm carrying every single day. I need her back, Jesus. I miss her more than I can put into words. She was everything to me, and now there's just this emptiness that I can't shake. I feel like I've lost my partner, my best friend, the woman I wanted to build a future with. Lord, this pain is real. I know men aren't supposed to talk about feelings like this, but I can't hide from you. You know my heart. You see me when I'm alone, when I let my guard down, when the hurt becomes too much to bear. I replay everything in my mind, what I said, what I did, where things went wrong. I keep thinking about how I could have been better, stronger, more of what she needed. The regret eats at me, Jesus. I wish I could go back and do things differently. Every day without her feels incomplete. I see something that would make her laugh, and I reach for my phone to tell her, then remember she's not there anymore. I wake up, and she's the first thing on my mind. I go to sleep thinking about her. Jesus, you know what she means to me. She wasn't just any woman. She was my woman. The one I wanted to protect, to provide for, to stand beside through everything life threw at us. I remember how she looked at me, how she made me feel like I could handle anything. She believed in me when I doubted myself. She saw the man I could be, not just the man I was. That kind of woman doesn't come along every day, Lord. I loved making her happy. Seeing her smile, hearing her laugh was everything to me. I wanted to be the man she could count on, the one she could trust with her heart, her dreams, her future. Jesus, I pray for her right now. Keep her safe wherever she is. Watch over her and protect her from anything that would hurt her. Give her peace and happiness, even if it's not with me right now. But Lord, I'm asking you, please work in her heart. Help her see that what we had was real and worth fighting for. Remind her of the good times, the love we shared, the connection we built together. If she's angry with me, please soften her anger. If she's hurt, please heal that hurt. If she's confused about us, please give her clarity. Help her remember why she loved me in the first place. Jesus, I'm begging you, bring her back to me. I know you perform miracles. I know you can change situations that seem hopeless. I've seen you work in impossible circumstances, and I need you to work in this one. Please turn her heart back to me. Make her miss me the way I miss her. Help her realize that she still loves me, that she still wants to be with me, that we're better together than apart. I need her to give me another chance, Lord. Help her accept me back into her life. Open her heart to the possibility of us trying again, of rebuilding what we had, of making it even stronger this time. Touch her heart right now, Jesus. Put me on her mind. Make her think about me, about us, about what we could have together. Don't let her forget what we meant to each other. Lord, I'm ready to step up. I'm ready to be the man she needs me to be. Show me where I failed her so I can do better. Help me learn from my mistakes so I don't repeat them. If I was too proud, humble me. If I didn't listen enough, teach me to hear her. If I took her for granted, help me cherish her the way she deserves. I want to be better, not just for her, but for myself, for us. I'm willing to fight for this relationship. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make things right. Just give me the opportunity, Jesus. Let her give me that chance to prove myself. I'll protect her heart better this time. I'll be the man who shows up, who stays committed, who doesn't give up when things get hard. I'll be patient, understanding, and present in ways I wasn't before. Jesus, I can see our future together. I see us building a life, a home, a family. I see myself coming home to her every day. I see us facing life's challenges as a team, celebrating victories together, supporting each other through the tough times. I want to be her man, the one she can rely on, the one who makes her feel safe and loved, the one who stands beside her no matter what. I want to wake up next to her, to provide for her, to make her proud to be with me. This isn't just about wanting a relationship, Lord. This is about wanting her specifically. She's the one I choose. She's the one my heart calls for. I don't want just any woman. I want her. Jesus, please don't let this be over. Please make a way for us to reconnect. Create opportunities for us to see each other, to talk, to remember what we have together. Put me in her path. Arrange circumstances so that we cross paths again. Give me the chance to look into her eyes and let her see how much I still care, how much I've changed, how much I want this. Break down the walls between us. Remove whatever is keeping us apart. Pride, hurt feelings, misunderstandings, other people's opinions, fear. Clear the path for us to come back together. Give her the courage to reach out to me, or give me the wisdom to know when and how to reach out to her. Help me say the right things, to be genuine, to show her my heart without being weak or desperate. Lord, if you bring her back to me, I promise I won't take her for granted again. I'll treat her the way she deserves to be treated. I'll make her feel valued, respected, and loved every single day. I'll be the leader she needs, strong but gentle, confident but humble. I'll create a relationship where she feels secure, where she knows I'm all in, where she never has to question my commitment to her. I'll work on myself constantly. I'll become a better man, not just for her, but because it's who I want to be. I'll face my flaws, work on my weaknesses, and grow into the partner she can truly count on. Jesus, I'm putting this whole situation in your hands. You know how much I love her. You know how much I want her back in my life. You know every detail of my heart. I believe you can do this. I believe you can turn her heart back to me. I believe you can restore what's been broken and make it stronger than before. Please don't leave me in this pain, Lord. I need her. I need us. I need the chance to make this right. Give me strength while I wait for your answer. Help me stay focused, stay positive, stay hopeful. Don't let me lose faith that you're working behind the scenes, arranging things for our good. I trust you, Jesus. I trust your power to heal relationships and restore love. I trust that you care about what I'm going through and that you hear this prayer. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for understanding a man's heart. Thank you for the miracle I believe you're going to perform. Bring her back to me, Lord. Let her accept me back. Turn her love back to me. Help us be together again. In your mighty name I pray. Amen.